Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am using the Morphe Micro Brow Pencil in Mocha, and what I like about this, it has a spoolie on the end there and it has a retractable applicator. So that's pretty cool. We're gonna just brush our brows upward like so. And we're gonna start midway right here. And we're going to start dragging the line. And then we're going to connect that to round it off. And we're going to pinpoint exactly based off the tip of our nose. And we're going to mark a dot. Doesn't have to be like super visible, but you guys need to make a dot there to let you know where your brow will start. I can see it, but as long as you know. So we're gonna go in like that, starting from the bottom of your brow, like that. And then I am going to start on the end and curve that out, making sure everything follows. And you're going to just make light strokes. I'm probably going to go for a darker color next time, but this is not bad. I like it because it blends in really well, like with the ombre. As you guys can see, I like feathered it up, and then it looks really good, and I haven't even blended it yet. So I'm just going to take my spoolie now and just blend what I have. I'm going to start here. Flicker it back, round it off, giving it a natural shape. And keep feathering very lightly. And then use your spoolie to distribute product throughout the hairs. Flicker them. That's the brow. I'm going to go back over it just lightly in the front, just to give it some dimension there, just because it is quite faded. And I don't want, once we add our concealer, to wash out our first little intro there. So just make it as full as your brows typically are. You can definitely darken your tail. It's best if you darken your tail right up in here and leave this area lighter shaded. So we can go back over our spoolie. The spoolie is meant to lighten whatever area that we've concentrated the product there. So just gonna blend upward. As you guys can see, we're going to be using the LA Girl Pro Conceal for my brows here. This is my favorite product to conceal for my brows just because I love the texture of it. And it makes it easier for application too as well, just so that we stay on track with where we are supposed to be. And bring the product down and around like SpongeBob. And then we're going to do it for the same side. Really nice. Stay within your lane. You don't want to miss these. You don't want to miss these. So You're gonna also do this side as well. Framing them. And it's okay if you get it all messed up because I'm not perfect. We are all not perfect. And our brows are always never perfect. Always. They look okay. But I know my imperfections. So we're going to use our angle brush. I actually like the Essence line here. They're very affordable. So I like this brush here. It has a slanted tip there. And it's really great for like getting precision right where you need it. So I'm going to go ahead and blend out that concealer. And just blend it all out using this brush. Just because we want it to stay. I want this to stay. We're going to use our fingers too to blend. I just want it to stay right there. I don't want it to highlight any higher or lower than where I put it. So that's why I'm using this particular brush. So I'm also going to just like tap with my fingers on the top there because I like a natural blend as it blends into my skin there. And you guys, there you go. You have a brow there. Oh. And I'm going to do the same thing for the other side. I'm going to blend in that concealer as well. Make sure I focus it right where it needs to. And you can straighten any lines that you may have with this particular brush. That's why it's so awesome. This brush probably costs like $1 or $2. It's at Ulta. Just go. You're welcome. Just blending, tap, tap, tap. And it's good that you can use your fingers because it warms the product up so it naturally blends into the skin. And I'm just tapping, tapping, tapping. Natural blend. Natural blend. So these are my brows, you guys. I really hope you guys liked it. I only used 2 products. I'm sorry, 3. These brushes here and this. This is all you need for a perfect brow. All you need. These what the brows look like up close. You're gorgeous. Gorgeous brows. Gorgeous. Did you see? Look how hair-like that looks. Gorgeous. I'm gonna even flicker the spoolie. Look at that, you guys. Amazing. I love this stuff. I actually love pencil for brow application. Like, I mean, I can do other products like pomade, but pencil is my favorite. And then powder probably will be my next one. And then pomade. But yeah, if you guys would like to see another eyebrow tutorial using the pomade and also the powder, I can do a video on that too. So you guys just let me know. Also, if you guys want to catch this hair here, yeah, I'm going to be doing my hair in the next episode. So this is kind of like a 2-in-1. So I'm just doing my brows because you guys haven't seen my face in a while and you really need to see my brow tutorial. And this is actually a new pencil that I purchased, and it was like $3 maybe. I'll definitely leave the information linked down below if you guys would like to find this pencil where you can find it. And if you guys can find it on Morphe or in the Morphe store, you guys can choose your pick, or even Ulta because they carry the product sometimes. Before you guys leave this video, be sure to give this video a huge thumbs up and be sure to subscribe for more and hit the bell notification so you guys don't miss out on any of the videos that I post. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.